When Warne emerged, it was the best thing that had happened to cricket for a long time.
I was a man on a mission. I wasn't taking any prisoners.
One of the few rock and roll sportsmen, and I think people really liked that about him.
You could not take your eyes off him when he bowled spin.
I wouldn't hesitate putting Shane's name right there amongst the top spinners who have ever played the game.
There is always a human cost in the pursuit of greatness.
You have to make sacrifices to be an international sportsman. And to be the best, you've got to be selfish.
So you can imagine the staircase of fame and adulation and the staircase of scandal that followed it.
Lots of happy memories, lots of sad memories. We only ever saw him as Dad.
He's larger than life. You know, he's Shane Warne.